need of several aids. Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan doesn't leave these people alone. They provide them with a lot of aids for food, water, medicine, and some different activities and needs. In these days, Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan stands to rebuild Gaza again. So we are in urgent need for your supporting, for your donations, for your efforts to rebuild it again, inshallah. Thanks so much to Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and the donors of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan